In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and show the formula bar in Excel. The formula bar is the long input area at the top of Excel that displays the contents of the active cell. If the cell contains a formula, this is where you can see and edit it. Sometimes you want that extra screen space for reviewing data, sharing your screen, or presenting a dashboard. Other times, you need the formula bar visible so you can read or tweak a formula comfortably. Toggling it is quick, and it doesn't change any of your data. To hide the formula bar, go to the View tab at the top of Excel. On the ribbon, find the option labeled Formula Bar. It appears with a small checkbox next to it, often in the Show group. Click View, then clear the Formula Bar checkbox. As soon as you uncheck it, the formula bar disappears from the top of the window. Your worksheet opens up a bit, making more rows visible on smaller screens. Formulas are still there in your cells, and the results still display in the grid as usual. With the formula bar hidden, you can still edit a cell's contents directly in the cell, and formulas continue to calculate normally. This is useful when you want a clean look, or you'd prefer not to display formulas while recording a tutorial or presenting. Hiding the bar doesn't protect or lock anything. It simply hides that editing area. If you need to secure formulas, that's a different feature entirely. But for visual clarity, this toggle is ideal. When you want the formula bar back, return to the View tab and check the formula bar option again. The bar immediately reappears, and selecting any cell containing a formula will show it in full in that area, ready for review or editing. This change applies only to your view of Excel on your device. It won't affect anyone else's copy of the workbook. If you don't see the formula bar checkbox, make sure your Excel window is maximized and the ribbon is expanded so all options are visible. In most versions, the checkbox lives in the View tab's Show section alongside other layout controls. The location is consistent across recent releases on both Windows and Mac. That's the entire process. Click View, uncheck Formula Bar to hide it. Click View again, check Formula Bar to show it. Use this quick on-off toggle to streamline your workspace when you need focus, and bring it back when it's time to inspect or edit formulas with full visibility.